Nature in a mountain valley offers many important benefits. Environmental benefits. 2. Fresh water source. Rivers, springs, and waterfalls in valleys often come from mountain sources, providing clean, fresh water for people, animals, and agriculture. 3. Biodiversity. Mountain valleys are home to many unique species of plants, animals, and insects, helping protect global biodiversity. 4. Climate regulation. Forests and valleys help stabilize the climate by storing carbon and regulating rainfall patterns. Economic and human benefits. 1. Agriculture. Fertile valley soil is excellent for farming, especially for crops like rice, vegetables, and fruits. 2. Livelihoods. Many people rely on mountain valley ecosystems for jobs, from farming and forestry to tourism and crafts.